Hey, yo, what's up, man? I'm Michael Lee, and just want to say what's up. And it's been a minute since I did a YouTube video, so I want to do one. And this YouTube video, I'm getting right into it. This YouTube video is about what happens if you close a refrigerator. Like, what happens when you close a refrigerator? Like, who knows what actually happens when you close the refrigerator? So this is what we gonna um this what we gonna find out. So what I'm gonna do is open the refrigerator, put my phone in here, and close it, and then we're gonna see what happens. Hmm. All right. Cool. All right, y'all see me? Now you don't. See in a few seconds or a few minutes. All right, what's up, man? I'm Michael Lee. We are back, and now you know what happens when you close the refrigerator. Thank you.